No species exists in isolation. We all depend on other species to survive. When the songs of biodiversity are gone, what you're hearing is not an ecosystem. It's a monoculture of one single species planted for rapid growth. It's an ecosystem altered from its natural state. Grassland, peatland, wetland, shrubland, forest. When the biodiversity disappears, it causes unintended consequences for us all. Animals become extinct. Local communities lose the benefits those ecosystems provided, like clean water, soil fertility, and makes communities more susceptible to extreme weather events, droughts, food shortages, and global pandemics. We all depend on other species to survive, and that is true for humans and the crops we need as well.